Man, I want to start off with you in terms of, we talked about this issue of productivity, and I know as we're preparing for this thing, we're talking a little bit about it. You drive a ton of technology talent, and how does AI relate to productivity in the software and development part?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been all hearing about the impact of AI in software engineering, and it's been a conversation that we've been running for a long time right now. Honestly, the adoption of AI within software engineering, like there's a spectrum. A lot of people are so excited about AI, what they can do, especially when they start exploring and experimenting, like the potential of running and building things pretty fast. On the other edge of the spectrum, there are some people who are more conservative, like more senior and architect level engineers who feel like AI might lead to bad design patterns, bad decisions, and it's generating a lot of code for us human to review and be able to manage. And for me as a technical leader, obviously I need to be able to understand the spectrum and make the right decisions to lead the team in a way where, everyone at their own pace and their own level of acceptance of AI, help them to be better and really to get the best out of AI. And the best is obviously the middle where, we need to be aware of how much capable AI is in providing code and building code, but any code that is generated by AI should be owned and maintained the same way as any other code that is written by human. So that's where I think the culture that I'm trying to build in the software engineering team is like, AI can generate 99% of your code base, as long as you own it, as you maintain it, and as make it meet all the design pattern and the best practices. And at the end of the day, we don't care if it's generated by AI or not. And so that's helping a lot with the conversation, with the adoption. And then people are coming to this middle ground understanding of like, AI is going to let me do better and write more code and deliver more products. So I'm going to take it, even if it's going to change my perception to my job and to my, I used to really believe in the craftsmanship of building software.
Sure.
Like that's what I do. But if AI is capable of writing code by training these agents, by providing them context to write code that I'm very proud of, and it seems like code that I would have written if I had more time, I will take it, and I will use it, and I will own it, and I will deliver on that. So the challenge is really a more people challenge where you need to get people to align and understand the benefits, and then get them to explore more, and they will all evolve in their understanding and adoption of AI.